Welcome back to the How To University channel. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. So welcome back, guys. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to recover a drafted email using the Gmail email tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Gmail. Once you've landed on your home primary page, you're going to hover over to the left hand side and a taskbar is going to kind of open up here, and you want to hover down to where it says drafts. What you want to do here is you want to select the email that you want to recover. So for an example, we're going to click on the first one here, and as you can see now, a box appears on the bottom right hand side. This will let you now recover a drafted email. Here you would type in who the email is going to, the subject line, and you could pick up right where you left off and hit that send button to continue to send that email that was drafted. If you found this video helpful and straight to the point, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.